Come take a look at this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Carfax has certified the Silverado 2500 HD as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 53,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter turbo engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, cruise control and driver airbag. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.